I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda open all your
Om Jai Nityananda Swami Jai Jai Nityananda Lokanath Sthidakasho Bhagavan Kalikalmashamagnanan Nitya Uttarana Chikeshaya Swami Om Jai Nityananda Om Jai Nityananda Swami Jai Jai Nityananda Lokanath Sthidakasho Bhagavan Kalikalmashamagnanan Nitya Uttarana Chikeshaya Swami Om Jai Nityananda
Nityanandam. Today we offer the Pratyaksha Pada Puja at the Divine Lotus Feet of Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Before we enter the Pada Puja today, please declare the following statements with integrity and authenticity. If you agree to the following statements, please say yes loudly. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth that cosmic energy exists. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth that His Divine Holiness, Swamiji, is the Chinmaya Vigraha, the embodiment and representation of that very cosmic energy. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth that whatever I offer in the Pada Puja to His Divine Holiness Swamiji will reach the cosmic source of energy directly. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth of Soham Asmi, that even when I worship, I am Him. Yes. Let us now enter the Pratyaksha Pada Puja. Please be seated in a meditative space of gratitude and deep restful awareness in your Anandagandha. We'll begin with the Sadguru Vandanam. Please take some flowers in your hands. Offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. The next offering is the Guru Parampara Vandanam. Now, please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Nityanandeshwara Parama Shiva Samarambham Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. The next offering is the Arunagiri Yogeshwara Vandanam. Please take the flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Lalate Tripundri Nitilakrita Kasturi Tilakaha Spuranmaladhara Spurita Katikopina Vasanaha Tadhano Dushtaram Chirasi Bhanirajam Shashikalam Pradipas Sarvesham Arunagiri Yogi Vijayate. Now we'll perform Tattva Chamanam, the ritualistic cleansing of the hands and the mouth. Now, with your right hand in the Gokarna Mudra, please take 3 sips of water as we chant the following mantras. Atma Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha, Vidya Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha, Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha. The base of your right hand thumb, wipe your lips from right to left. Om Hamridaya Namaha. Wash your right hand with the water from the Panchapatram. With the tips of your index, middle and ring fingers, touch above the upper lip and below the lower lips. With the index finger and thumb of the right hand joined together, touch your right nostril and left nostril. With the ring finger and thumb joined together of the right hand, touch your right eye, right ear and left ear. Then wash your hand again with the water from the Panchapatram. With the little finger and thumb of the right hand joined together, touch your navel, right chest, left chest. With all the tips of your right hand fingers, touch the top of your head, right shoulder, left shoulder, and the center of your chest. Next, we'll perform Shuklam Baradaram. Please take Akshata, that is turmeric mixed rice, in your hands and clench both your hands in the Mushti Mudra. Tap the sides of your forehead 5 times as we chant the following mantra. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantayet. We'll now perform Pranayama, the regulation of breathing. With your right hand thumb, close your right nostril and inhale completely through your left nostril. Close both your nostrils with your ring finger and thumb of the right hand. Closing your left nostril with your ring finger, exhale completely through the right nostril. As we do the 3 steps of pranayama, we'll be chanting the Samhita mantras for each of the 3 steps. Om Hom Ishanamurtaya Namaha, Om Hem Tatpurushavaktraya Namaha, Om Hum Gauradaya Namaha, Om Him Mamadevukya Namaha, Om Hum Tatjavajatamurtaya Namaha, Om Hamridaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikaya Namaha, Om Hem Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hom Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Hastraya Namaha, Om Hom Ishanamurtaya Namaha, Om Hem Tatpurushavaktraya Namaha, Om Hum Gauradaya Namaha, Om Him Mamadevukya Namaha, Om Hum Tatjavajatamurtaya Namaha, Om Hamridaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikaya Namaha, Om Hem Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hom Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Hastraya Namaha, Om Hom Ishanamurtaya Namaha, Om Hem Tatpurushavaktraya Namaha, Om Hum Gauradaya Namaha, Om Him Mamadevukya Namaha, Om Hum Satchivajatamurtaya Namaha, Om Amridaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikaya Namaha, Om Hem Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hom Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Hastraya Namaha. We'll now chant the Sankalpa mantra, the conscious resolution, clasping the Akshata in your right hand. Clasp your right hand in your left hand and keep both your hands on your right thigh. ममोपात्त समस्त दुरितक्षयद्वारा भगवच्छ्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रीत्यर्थम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव प्रीत्यर्थम च शुभे शोभने मुहूर्ते अद्य ब्रह्मणः द्वितीय परार्धे श्री श्वेतवराह कल्पे वैवस्वत मन्वन्तरे अष्टाविंशतितमे नित्ययुगे प्रथमे पादे जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतखण्डे मेरोः दक्षिणे पार्श्वे शखाब्दे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादीनां षष्ट्याः संवत्सराणां मध्ये विकारिनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने श्री लक्ष्मी वेंकटेश्वर ऋतौ सिंहमासे शुक्लपक्षे पंचम्यां शुभतिथौ मंगलवासरयुक्तायां चित्रानक्षत्र स्वाति ब्रह्मयोग भवकर्ण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभतिथौ पारुल अग्रवाल नाम याः नीरज अग्रवाल नामधेयस्या आन्या अग्रवाल नाम याः सकुटुम्बस्य च श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशान्तश्यामलापीठारूढ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वराभिन्न स्वरूप परशिवपुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपानलब्ध दिव्यज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवक्त्रे श्रीमद् परम शिव करुणा समिति गत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरडावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संग सद्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्ययापवर्गवश्र विश्रान जीमूत परमद कलप केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु क्षपन शाक्यादि महांधकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हारध्वदोच्छेदन पूर्वक श्रीमद् वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्त्रे सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिनाम अवतारभूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ त्रिनवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधान साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परंपरागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चंद्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचंद्र सुरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ती परंपरागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मंदित चतुष्षष्टि संप्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्म शासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य मुद्राभिषिक्त चूड़ामणि महानिर्वाणिपीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटलपीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटलपीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्णपीठस्य त्रयोवंश गुरुमहासन्निधान श्रीमद् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठा नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रहित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्त्रे कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु शील श्री भगवच्छ्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थम तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थम गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थम क्षेम स्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्यानाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थम धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थम समस्त दुरितोपशांत्यर्थम समस्त मंगल अवाप्यर्थम भगवच्छ्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव अवतारभूत श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूप भगवच्छ्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रत्यक्षपाद पूजां च करिष्ये. Drop the akshata and flower on your right hand side and wash your right hand with the water from the panchapatram. Apa upasprishya. We will now perform Ganthanadam. Please take the bell in your left hand and ring it loudly above your heart level as we chant the following mantra. Agamartantu devanam gamanartantu rakshasam Ganthanadam karom yado devata akvanalanchanam Gantha devatabhyo namaha. We'll now enter the internal worship, the Manasa Puja. Please take a flower in your hands and hold your hands in the Kurma Mudra. Sit straight, close your eyes, and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Om Hridpadmamasanam dadyat Sahasrarachyutamrutaihi Padyam Charanayor dadyat Manastu Argyam Nivedayet Tena Amritena Achamaniyam Snaniyam Tena Chasmridam Akashatattvam Vastram Syat Gandhasyat Gandhatatvagam Chittam Prakalpayet Pushpam Dhupam Pranan Prakalpayet Tejastattvam Chadipartham Naivedyam Syat Sudham Buddhihi Anahatadhvanirgantha Vayutattvam Chachamaram Sahasraram Bhavet Chatram Shabdhatattvam Chagitagam Nrityamindriya Karmani Chanchalyam Manasastatha Sumekalam Padmamalam Pushpam Nana Vidham Tata Amayadyer Bhava Pushpaihi Archayet Bhava Gocharam Amayam Manahankaram Aragam Mamadham Tata Amohakam Adambam Cha Advesha Akshobhako Tata Amatsaryam Malopam Cha Dasapushpam Vidurbudaha Ahimsa Paramam Pushpam Pushpam Indriya Nigraha Daya Pushpam Shama Pushpam Jnana Pushpam Chamanchamam Iti Panchadasir Bhava Pushpaihi Sambhujayet Bhagavantam Shri Nityananda Paramashivam. We'll now begin the Upachara Puja, the external worship. The first offering is Asanam, the offering of the seat. Now please take some akshata and rice in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Asanam Om Sarvabhutantarastaya Sarvabhutantaratmane Kalpayamyupaveshartham Asanam Te Namo Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Swarnasanam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Swagatam, welcoming His Divine Holiness Swamiji. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Swagatam Om Shantatvat Sarvakartritva Bhavo Paradikaranat Shivaukto Mahatantra Mantra Vidvis Sada Shivaha Tasmai Shivaya Gurave Vitaraga Vai Ameyatvat Anantoyam Ajatvacha Prakirtitaha Yasya Darshanamichanti Deva Swabhishta Siddhaye Tasmai Te Parameshana Swagatam Swagatam Prabho Adhyame Saphalam Janma Jivanam Saphalakyaha Swagatam Yatvaya Tanve Tapasam Phalamagatam. Om Hrim Sarvadeva Devi Swarupa Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Swagatam Suswagatam Te. The next offering is Padyam, the offering of water to wash the feet. Now, please take the Uddharini of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Padyam Om Yadbhaktilesha Samparkat Paramananda Samplavaha Tasmai Te Parameshana Padyam Shuddhaya Kalpayet Om Hrim Etat Padyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Arghya, the offering of the traditional bouquet. Now please take the conch in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Arghyaha Om Durvakshata Samayuktam Bilvapatram Tatha Param Shobhanam Shankapatrastam Grahanargyam Maheshwara Om Hrim Eshoargyaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swaha. The next offering is Achamaniyam, the offering of water to wash the hands and the mouth. Please take an Uddharani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Achamaniyam Om Mandakinyastu Yadvari Sarva Papaharam Shubham Grahanachamaniyam Tvam Maya Bhaktya Niveditam Om Hrim Idam Achamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swadha. The next offering is Madhubarka, the offering of the nectarine drink. Now please take a cup of Madhubarka in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Madhubarkaha Om Sarvakalmashanashaya Paripurna Shudhatmagam Madhuparkamimam Deva Kalpayami Prasidhame Om Hrim Esha Madhuparkaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swadha. The next offering is Gandhatailam, the offering of the scented oil. Now please take the Gandhatailam in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Gandhatailam Om Sneham Grahana Snehena Lokanam Hitakaraka Sarvalokeshu Shuddhastvam Dadami Snehamuttamam Om Hrim Idam Gandhatailam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next offering is Snaniyam, the offering of the sacred bath. Now please take an Uddharani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell continuously as you do so. Snaniyam Om Idam Shushitalam Vari Swacham Shuddham Manoharam Snanartam Te Maya Bhaktya Kalpitam Pradigruhyatam Om Hrim Idam Snaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next offering is Vastram, the offering of clothing. Now please take the Vastram in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Vastram Om Maya Chitrapatachanna Nijaguhyoru Tejase Niravarna Vijnaya Vasaste Kalpayamyaham Om Hrim Idam Vastottariyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next offering is Abharanam, the offering of the jewelry. Now please take the Abharanam in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Abharanam Om Swabhavasundarangaya Nana Shaktyashrayayate Suvarnam Bhushanam Tubhyam Kalpayami Prasidame Om Hrim Idam Suvarnabharanam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next offering is Gandha, the offering of the sandalwood paste. Now, please take the sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Gandhaha Om Shariram te na janami cheshtham naiva cha Maya niveditan gandhan pratigrihya vilipyatam Om Hrim Eshad Gandhaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Pushpam, the offering of fragrant flowers. Now please take some flowers made with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Pushpam Om Turiyavana Sampannam Nana Gunamanoharam Ananda Saurabam Pushpam Grihyatam Idamuttamam Om Hrim Etani Sachandana Pushpani Sarvadeva Devi Swarup Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Vaushate. The next offering is Bilvapatram, the offering of the Bilva leaf. Now please take the Bilvapatras made with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Bilvapatram Om Amrudodbhavam Sri Vriksham Shankarasya Sadapriyam Bilvapatram Prayachami Pavitram Te Sureshwara Om Hrim Etani Sachandana Bilvapatrani Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Vaushate. The next offering is Tulasi Patram, the offering of the Tulasi leaf. Now please take the Tulasi Patras made with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Tulasi Patram Om Namaste Bahurupaya Varadamurtaye Paramatmane Swaha Om Hrim Idam Sachandana Tulasi Patram Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Dhupa, the offering of the lit incense. Now please take the lit incense, the dhupa, in your hands and slowly wave it towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell continuously as you do so. Dhupaha Om Vanaspatiraso Divyo Gandhadyassu Manoharaha Agreyas Sarvadevanam Dhupoyam Pradigruhyatam Om Hrim Esha Dhupaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Deepa, the offering of the lit lamp. Now please take the lit Deepa in your hands and slowly wave it towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. And please ring the bell continuously as you do so. Deepaha Om Suprakasho Mahadeepaha Sarvatastimiراpaha Sabhakyabhyantararjyotirdeepoyam pradigruhyatam Om Hrim Eshaddeepaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Naivedyam, the offering of food. Now please take Uddhrini of water and hover it 3 times around the Naivedyam. Offer the water at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Please ring the bell continuously as you do so. Naivedyam Om Naivedyam Vibitam Deva Shakkaradi Vinirmitam Maya Niveditam Bhaktya Grahana Parameshwara Om Hrim Idam Sopakarna Naivedyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next offering is Paniyam, the offering of water to drink. Now please take the Uddhrini of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Paniyam Om Samastadeva Devesha Sarvatriptikaram Param Akhandananda Sampurnam Grahana Jalamuttamam Om Hrim Idam Panarthodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Punarachamaniyam, the offering of water to wash the hands and the mouth. Now, please take the Punarachamaniyam in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Punarachamaniyam Om Uchishtamapya Suchirva Yasya Smaranamatradaha Shuddhimapnoti Tasmai Te Punarachamaniyagam Om Hrim Idam Punarachamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swaha. The next offering is Aratrigam, the offering of the Arati lamp. Now please take the lit Arati lamp in your hands and slowly wave it towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra, and please ring the bell continuously as you do so. Aratrigam Om Him Esha Deepamala Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. Om Rajadirajaya Prasayadahine Namo Bhayam Vaishravanaya Gurmahe Tame Kaman Kama Kama Yamakya Kameshwaro Vaishravano Dadatu Kubheraya Vaishravanaya Maharajaya Namaha. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि आरात्रिकं समर्पयामि भगवती नित्यानंद परमशिव चरणकमलेभ्यो नमः।
चित्रं वठतरोर्मूले वृद्धा शिष्या गुरुर्युवा वृद्धा शिष्या गुरुर्युवा गुरोस्तु
पुष्पाञ्जलिः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रधानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथो मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुराप्नेते मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तद्गुरुं तं नमामि। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि भगवच्छ्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव चरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। ॐ नित्यानन्द
स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ श्री प्रकाशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानंद। कर्णधार स्वरूपक नित्या सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा स्वामी संसारार्णव घोरे ध्यानलोक प्रदीपक नित्या ध्यानलोक प्रदीपक नित्या सर्वभूतात्मन् स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानंद। ॐ जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्दा ॐ जय नित्यानन्दा स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्दा लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय 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 नित्यानंद लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द ज्ञानध्यानतृप्ताय नित्या ज्ञानध्यानदायिने नित्या ज्ञानध्यानदायिने आत्मसंस्थाय सत्ताय नित्या आत्मसंस्थाय सत्ताय नित्या शरणगुणशालिने स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द ॐ जय नित्यानन्द स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्द लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द सर्वदेवी स्वरूपाय नित्या सर्वदेव स्वरूपिणे नित्या सर्वदेव स्वरूपिणे विरक्ति भक्ति नैर्मल्य नित्या विरक्ति भक्ति नैर्मल्य नित्या भूति मंगलकारिणे स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द ॐ जय नित्यानन्द स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्द लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द ॐ जय नित्यानन्द स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्द लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द ॐ जय नित्यानन्द स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्द लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्द
जय परमहंस श्री श्री नित्यानंद स्वामी की जय।
The Uttamottam Seva Uttamottama Paksha Upachara Yukta Puja offered at the Divine Lotus Feet of Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Samet Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. We will offer the Paramashivoham Advaita Darshanam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhuma Akhilanda Goti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Samet Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva परमशिवोऽहम् अद्वैतदर्शनप्रिय परमशिवोऽहम् अद्वैतदर्शनम् अवधारय।
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द।
Continuing with the modern anti-Hindu narrative, whether it is the film Sacred Games 2, depicting Hindu leaders as conspiring terrorists, or as Op India reports, multinational Unilever company brandishing television advertisements showing Hindus as bigoted and discriminatory, It is important that these kinds of attacks, along with the massive amount of atrocity literature leveled against Hindus over the years, are exposed as contributing to the negative self-image many Hindus have today. There is a general disconnect from the spiritual tradition itself of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. The spiritual legitimacy of being a superhuman, powerful being has been lost somehow from the very discourse of the purpose and potential of our lives. Much of Hinduism today is practiced only as social ritual or wish granting by requesting boons from the deities. This they will give, but there is a much deeper purpose to the spiritual science. Hinduism is about you being divine, that your nature is that which is the source of all things, that you are not somehow separate from life, from existence, but actually an extension of it. And by extension, you have access to your source. You can manifest all the powerfulness of life. This is what the tradition is, the science of powerful living at every moment, liberation from all things human or limiting by society. This is what sets the tradition apart from other dogmatic religions. It is a spiritual, revealed science, not man-made morals. The strength of the tradition is embodied by all the enlightened masters. Did we forget that they lived as the example, how we are supposed to be and can be, of what is really possible by us? The intent is not to encourage or accept violence against others, but at least to expose the atrocities committed against Hindus, the method and methodical, relentless persecutions from all angles. The narrative against Hindus must be countered with the truth and reality, if for no other reason than to show how the dharmic principles of Hindu civilization were cunningly undermined, and to expose the intergenerational trauma Hindus are living with today. If we see clearly the problem, the solution automatically reveals itself. The spiritual strength, the sciences, is the strength and path of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. It cannot be overlooked and bypassed as superstition. The Agamas documenting spiritual powers is the proof of the pudding that the science is real and available. The Gurukuls, facilitated by living gurus, can be revived. It needs to come back before it's too late. Future generations need the proper context about their birth and life. That it is okay to be powerful, that your intelligence and consciousness operates beyond societal rules, norms, and morals, and how it can be used to liberate oneself and others from these limitations. The spiritual power's legitimacy of Sanatana Hindu Dharma needs to be re-established as a spiritual science, a casual, everyday expression of conscious powers. Whether society accepts it or not, a safe and protected place for the original spiritual sciences and the rarest gurus who are willing to not compromise on the spiritual truths for any reason can revive the spiritual sciences to save the humanity from the absolutely out of control anxiety, doubt, indecision, and misdirection of consumerism today. If you feel responsibility is a power, you make your life successful.
Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam, it gives me immense pleasure and honor to invite and welcome each and every one of you for this very special satsang series, Manifesting Shaktis. From today, we are having a very special next 21 days. And I'm here today to welcome each and every one of you for a special 3-week Nitya Satsang series where Swamiji is literally going to be initiating each and every viewer who is available, who is making themselves present in any of our satsang centers worldwide into a very special energy darshan and Nayana Diksha. What is initiation? And how and what happens during the initiation? How does a master transmit that initiation? Let me share a few words about what really happens during the initiation. Initiation. Diksha in Sanskrit is what we call, is nothing but a transmission of energy from a guru to a disciple. There are various levels of teachers. A teacher is somebody who shares a concept or a knowledge to his pupil, to his disciple. Then comes an enlightened master. Enlightened master is somebody who has experienced that state and space, the ultimate state and space of Paramashiva through any one technique and wants to initiate the disciple into that particular technique, and when the disciple practices that technique, he also achieves that same state, a status of an enlightened master. Then comes the avatar. An avatar, just through initiation, is able to transmit that experience to a disciple, and that process is what we call as initiation, Shaktipada, energy darshan. The initiation can happen through many ways. Through word, the satsang that we all listen, through the look of the master, to the Nayana Diksha of the master, just through his Nayana, means through his eyes, the Diksha happens. Then through touch. Many of us have received Swamiji's touch during the energy darshan. Through a look, through a word, or through a touch, the initiation happens. And when the master's look falls onto that of a disciple, the instant energy transmission happens with absolutely no tapas, no practice required, just through the look, through the compassionate look of the grace of the master, the disciple receives that same experience. From today, Swamiji is opening up to the world, to all his disciples, devotees, inner awakening graduates, Paramashivoham graduates, to all the Adinavasis, Sannyasis, whoever is in any of our Adinams, temples, Paduka Mandirs, Satsang centers, a very special initiation through Nayana Diksha. Just through his look, when his compassionate grace, the Guru Kataksha, when it falls on the disciple receives that same experience. The transmission of an energy, transmission of experience from a master to a disciple through his look. We are all going to be blessed with that today. That is the reason we have requested all our disciples worldwide to go to the nearest satsang center and make yourself available for the next 21 days. Starting from today, 3rd September in India and 2nd September in maybe western part of the world, till 23rd September, every single day, we are going to be having a very special initiation through Nayana Diksha. So for the next 21 days, attend the satsang not via Nityananda TV or Facebook Live or YouTube Live, but through Nayana Diksha from any of our centers worldwide. We have more than hundreds of centers worldwide in many different countries. Find out your nearest satsang center and you can join for the satsang through Nayana Diksha, through the two-way video conferencing. See, through NTV, through Facebook Facebook Live, through the Nityananda TV, Kailasa TV, Facebook Live and YouTube Live. Also the satsang will be relayed. That is for you to see Swamiji and to hear him. But what is even more special, what creates that intimate guru-disciple relationship, what flowers that simple attachment, when you know not only you are looking at him, but he is also looking at you. Please understand, the look of a guru onto a disciple, it is not just his look, his grace, his blessings, his initiation, his energy transmission. More importantly, that simple attachment and simple obedience just flowers in you so beautifully when you know. When Swamiji is looking down, he knows, oh, he's looking at me. He's looking at our center. And he's looking at me. That personal attachment, that intimate relationship happens between you and the Guru, between the Guru and the disciple when you sit in Nayana Diksha. So we have invited all our satsang centers and we have given special access to all the satsang centers worldwide to be available on the two-way Nayana Diksha from today till for the next 21 days to receive the special energy darshan, special Shakti Pada, special energy transmission through Nayana Diksha for the next 21 days. I would like to play a small clipping on the power of initiation so you understand what really happens in us during the initiation. Let's watch the video as we continue.
A word, a touch, power of initiation. Diksha is the direct transfer of spiritual energy by an enlightened being through look, word or touch. The traditional Vedic book Navaratneshwara states, Sarvasamapi dikshanam muktihi phalamakhanditam avirodhat bhavantyeva prasangyastu bhuktayaha. The main benefit of all initiations is moksha, enlightenment. As a side effect, health, wealth, leadership and well-being happen. And in Rudrayamala Tantra, Shiva says, Devi Diksha Vihinasya Na Siddhihi Na Cha Sadgatihi Tasmat Sarva Prayatnena Guruna Dikshito Bhavet. The one who is not initiated does not attain liberation nor a better future. So by all efforts, one should get initiated by Guru. What is the science of initiation? Neuroscience has proved that the process of initiation floods the brain with energy. This is the superconscious energy of Kundalini, our own highest inner potential energy. As the Kundalini flows from the thalamus to the cortex, it sets up a powerful energy loop within the brain, which awakens the latent non-mechanical parts which we have never used before. With increasing levels of coherence, the whole brain comes alive, turning into a superconductor of conscious energies that heal, empower, transform our lives, bliss and fulfillment. Initiation creates high awareness, visualization, creativity. It also slows the aging process and improves the immune system. Kundalini awakening, healing experience, levitation, teleportation, materialization. Experience the power of initiation.
You can go to our website kailasa.org and the satsang centers worldwide. If you actually scroll down the kailasa.org website, you will see a world map where you can see all our satsang centers, Paduka mandirs, temples, adinams worldwide, and you can find your nearest satsang center. And for the next 21 days, for the satsang, whatever time it may be, please understand, Swamiji has come all the way from Kailasa, from a different dimension of the universe. He has come down assuming a human body to make himself available for all of us. Of course, we can put a little effort from our side to reach out to the nearest satsang center, and just for the next 21 days, do not miss the satsang, experience powerful energy darshan. And immediately after the satsang, every day we are going to be having power manifestation. Please understand, in the video you saw that the initiation awakens the non-mechanical parts of the brain, awakens your Kundalini Shakti, awakens your third eye. You will be able to manifest powers instantly. That is why, as a part of the satsang, we are offering power manifestation sessions, special Kailash Courtyard sessions. Immediately after the satsang, after receiving the Nayana Diksha, the satsang will be continued by a very short and crisp power manifestation session where you will be guided step by step to manifest the extraordinary powers of Paramashiva initiated by our beloved Swamiji. So attend the satsang, manifest the powers, and continue the rest of your day. And you will see in just the next 21 days, amazing healing, detoxification, and the expression of the initiation in the form of instant power manifestation will happen. And especially when you are making yourself present in Swamiji's energy field, in any of our centers, with the Nayana Diksha and the initiation, followed by power manifestation, the next 21 days, you will have a huge spiritual breakthrough and awakening. And so, to support all of us, from today, we are also starting the next batch of Nirahara Samyama. And what is most special about this Nirahara Samyama is Swamiji himself is joining with all his disciples in the Nirahara Samyama. Please understand, Swamiji is beyond any tapas, beyond the need to do any practice. But to encourage all his disciples, he is also joining us out of his utmost compassion in the Nirahara Samyama. And I would like to share a few words which Swamiji himself shared in the Tamil Satsang just last evening about the benefits of Nirahara Samyama. Please understand, many of us go through panic attacks, we go through insecurity for unknown reason, illogically going through fear, going through insecurity, or the mind not being able to handle ourselves, or we want to follow the Guru Walk, but for some reason I'm not able to follow the Guru Walk, something is stopping me. Is all because of unnecessary toxins flooding our system. Please understand, these are Swamiji's own words. If you want to have a simple attachment and simple obedience, but you are not able to have that simple obedience, something is stopping you, not allowing you to follow the Guru Walk, or going through unnecessary panic attacks, mood swings, or illogical fears, illogical insecurities for no reason, going through fear, going through insecurity. It is just because of toxins in your system. And any human being who is having a normal weight, as per today's scientific measurements, you are having a proper weight. Let's say that for your height and age, you should have the weight of 70 kgs. Let's say the doctor says 70 kgs is your normal weight. Now, in that 70 kg, 10 kgs, Swamiji says, is just the unnecessary toxins and the excreta that we are supposed to expel from our system is stored in our intestines. Just by doing the Nirahara Samyama, the excess toxins leaves our system, you get detoxified. When you get detoxified, simple attachment and simple obedience just becomes your flow of life, becomes so natural. Your third layer DNA gets awakened just by doing Nirahara Samyama. Swamiji says, if I have to tell of one of my biggest contribution to the planet Earth, it is Nirahara Samyama. For the next 21 days, all the disciples and devotees are highly encouraged to do the Nirahara Samyama, and Swamiji is doing it for all of us, along with all of us. So the Nirahara Samyama, just 21 days if you do, your whole body gets completely detoxified. And you will see with all these toxins leaving your body, it is not just for the toxins to leave your body, it is for you to manifest the state, space and Shaktis and the being of Paramashiva. Please understand, Nirahara Samyama is not just fasting. Nirahara Samyama is Hindu fasting. What is Hindu fasting? In Tamil there is a beautiful saying, Unai urukki ulloli perukki, means not just reducing or expulging the unnecessary toxins and waste in our body, but also awakening the Paramashivatva, awakening the state and space of Paramashivatva in us. And Swamiji shared so beautifully, he said, see, in the Vedic tradition, Annadan is considered the highest form of donation. Means if you want to offer something, donate something, Annadan is considered one of the highest form of donation. One of the reasons being, if you feed somebody with, you can give clothes, you can give money, you can give maybe living space. All this, more and more you give, somebody will say, I want more and more and more. But only with food, that person says, oh, I have had enough, I cannot have any more. So Annadan is actually considered the highest form of helping somebody. But Swamiji said, if you do Annadan, and because you are doing Annadan to somebody, you get punya. Let's say 100,000 punya you get by doing Annadan. By making somebody do Nirahara Samyama, you will get 10 billion punyas. Please understand, if you enrich somebody through Annadan, you will get 100,000 punya. If you enrich somebody to do the Nirahara Samyama, you will get 10 billion punya. So imagine how much good a Nirahara Samyama can do to somebody. And not just that, each of us have 12 layers in our DNA that exist as possibility in us. 2 layers is awakened for all the human beings, 2 layers are awakened, but we have 12 layers of DNA in us. Just by doing the Nirahara Samyama, the 3rd layer of DNA opens in us. Nirahara Samyama is not just fasting, it is awakening the possibility in us. We have the possibility to get the energy from all the 5 elements. From the elements, the 5 basic elements of earth, water, air, fire and space. The human beings have the capability to attract, to get the energy from these 5 elements and convert it as prana, the life force, the life energy in us. The process of awakening that mechanism in us, of receiving the energy from the 5 basic elements and converting it into prana is called Nirahara Samyama. Now in Nirahara Samyama, for the next 21 days, starting from today, every day attend the Nitya Satsang live on Nayana Diksha by coming to one of our 2A centers. So you get that energy transmission, you get the Diksha. Nayana Diksha becomes simple. You will not even feel like eating, you will not even feel hungry. Second, do Nirahara Samyama, means consume only liquid food. And even in that liquid food, Swamiji highly recommends having the bilva juice, having argambul, the grass, the specific type of grass, argambul juice, having like tea with cardamom. You can have milk, that is okay. You can have almond milk, have haritaki, have neem juice. So these are all highly recommended to detoxify your system. And Swamiji has reduced 30 kgs just by doing Nirahara Samyama over the last few months. And not just lost the weight. The anti-Hindu elements were somewhere, they were trying to assassinate Swamiji. They were not successful in assassinating, but they were able to insert poison, like the poisonous chemicals into his body. And just by doing Nirahara Samyama, he was able to get his body relieved from all the poisonous substances that his body was injected into. His health had taken a toll over the last few years. Just by doing Nirahara Samyama, he was not just able to reduce his weight, but he was able to expel all these toxins. It is actually because of these toxins that was affecting Swamiji's health. Just by doing Nirahara Samyama, he has reduced his food intake by 90%. And even the 10% he takes only these liquids. So let all of us join Swamiji in Nirahara Samyama over the next 21 days starting from today. Enjoy the energy darshan. Every day he is making himself available. Let us benefit ourselves from it. Next 21 days, Nirahara Samyama, everyday energy darshan, everyday satsang. Detoxify your body, awaken the state space Paramashiva in you, and manifest powers. You will be able to manifest powers instantly, just because of the detoxification, just because of the Nayana Diksha, just because of the grace and blessings of Swamiji. So with that, let's get ready for today's Nitya Satsang. Please sit straight and close your eyes. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible and as deeply as possible. Get yourself to a space of deep gratitude, devotion, and surrender. Get yourself to a space of deep listening. Allow yourself to be a pure channel for Swamiji to enter you and to fill you with his presence.
I bless you all.
Communication
Let you all
happens.
open all your
Communion
eyes
happens between you
and
and your Guru,
manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva.
where you receive more than what is spoken. You receive his energy, you receive his blessings, you receive his bio-memory just by sitting in his presence. Let his grace and his Nayana, his eyes, fall on each and every one of us. Bless us, initiate us, grace us. Sit with a space of deep gratitude and devotion as we get ready to receive our beloved Swamiji.
Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम्